Tắm. Ăn làng
này
chài.
900.
250.
Rồi, ok. Rồi.
Our breakfast is ready. It's 8:30.
Oh, breakfast ready?
Right now. Yummy?
What?
Oh, the younger stuff. You can't be plus 800 and 10.
I think they got it ready
built?
earlier. So they wrapped it. What you ordered today, Homo?
Bún bò.
And
Yeah.
and great. And a coconut nut and wonton soup. We're enjoying our coconut out here. Yeah, it's warm. Warm, right guys?
Nope.
Yes, it is.
Nope.
Stop saying nope.
Yes.
Stop saying nope.
It's very nice out here actually, huh?
Open the pill.
Yeah.
It's like rainy, kind of, but it's still warm. We're actually borderline hot right now.
Daddy. I'm gonna go inside. I was done.
So we just filmed a whole tour of our Airbnb, and that's gonna be in a separate video. I don't know if we already posted it or not, but that is a separate video. Now, isn't there Grab?
Yeah, Grab's here.
Now we are on the way to the island that we overlook. And there's a restaurant there that we want to check out. It's like a craft beer island vibe. The ferry dock is actually really close to this location. It's just down the hill. And then after that, I think we'll try to do a massage while we're here. And then tomorrow we're leaving to Dalat. Friends are staying here for 2 nights, but we'll just be here for the 1 night and then leaving tomorrow morning. So this is where we are. And you're going to go into this island called something.
Called something.
How do you say it? Mute?
Something like that.
On mute. And the restaurant that we're going to is... Oh, there it is. Right there. 2 taxi costs to get there. Or the Grab. Oh, we're here. This looks weird.
Come on.
Down the stairs.
Đắt vé gì thôi chứ giờ hết rồi.
Dạ hết hả?
Tại vì chị là trực tiếp chữ tàu luôn, là rẻ nhất là 300 là vé ở đây là rẻ nhất. Chơi xong đi về luôn qua Hồ Cá Thủy Cung. Qua về luôn á, 2 người.
Hai điều. Dạ.
Yeah.
Rẻ nhất hả?
Cái đây nó 800 là cano 800.
Mắc lắm. Tốt luôn là 500. Nhưng mà mỗi đảo phải đợi em cho em lên chụp hình tắm. Ăn làng
Này
chài.
900.
Are they hustling us? I can't tell. I don't know Vietnamese.
Đắt là thôi chị trực tiếp chữ tàu rồi.
Yeah.
Không có vé.
Like Hong's bargaining with her. We're going back down.
Rồi đi tới nhà hàng thôi.
Ý là tới nhà hàng ăn hả?
Dạ, tới nhà hàng. Tới đó. Ăn xong rồi đi về thôi.
What?
She said 200,000.
200?
She'll go take us directly to the restaurant and then come back.
Okay.
That's worth it, I think.
I think
Because you don't
so.
have to take a cab, anything.
Yeah. What was the original?
She said 500 right off the bat.
Oh. How do you get in?
Just jump on.
We're on our way. One of these is our
well, and they catch their fishes here and they take it to market. So yeah, there's a lot of them out here.
We're at a restaurant that we didn't even want to go to, but
Em đi hai người hả? Rồi bây giờ này để mà cái nhà hàng của anh là cũng như để đồ ở đây. Thì ở đây anh có nhiều loại hải sản thú hấp lên lại cơm miễn phí, chả ghé miễn phí, rau sống miễn phí, bánh chén miễn phí, xong đưa cho em. Đây là tốt không nè. Ký em lấy 2 con thôi. Đó, 10 con được rồi. Ok chưa? Rồi.
Ké kìa, bỏ ké là lấy đồ, bỏ ké kìa. Bỏ xuống lấy đồ. Một.
Rồi, em. Cảm ơn anh luôn á. Cái này chỉ đô rồi.
Bỏ lên con.
Một tô. One. Rồi, 2 người. Rồi, ok. Rồi. Em ơi, con tôm nước phô mai hay là hấp?
Hấp.
Hấp. Hấp. Đây, đợi nha, tìm đợi
it's kind of random.
Huh?
We were trying to go to this craft beer place, but then the guy on the boat took us somewhere else. This is really beautiful though. Did you like tell them how to cook it and stuff?
9,30 em.
Oh, okay.
1.920.000.
1.9?
1.9.
1.9?
Bớt 30.000. 1.9.
Right over here, nice view.
Yeah.
View. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Wow, look at that. I'm sad he couldn't go to the restaurant. It's okay.
They have like probably a pre-arranged agreement. We'll bring
With
people
this
to you. Yeah. I was like, I want to go to this spot. And he's like, can't. I was like, yeah. Like this spot here is like more popular. That place doesn't exist. This is like where all the tourists go. As you can see, like there's the fish farm.
He's trying to sell it to you?
Yeah. And then at some point I was just like, whatever.
Yeah.
Just go with the flow.
I mean, this is beautiful.
Hopefully you guys know what to expect from that sort of experience.
Yeah.
Either way, whatever.
It's not a bad spot.
I did have to pay $2 million.
This is $2 million?
Yeah.
For the lobster and stuff though.
Yeah. Which is, I don't know if it's a lot or a little.
The $100.
Yeah. Is it? Yeah. Pretty much. So. What is it not?
So squid, lobster. They made with the fish. Having a party over there or something. How is it so far?
Not bad. Pretty good.
I think it's pretty good.
I think it's pretty fresh.
Yeah, we just have this boil, dipping it in the sauces. This is going to be eaten with the rice. And yeah, we can do rolls too with the greens and all this. This is the squid. And there's this. Lobster. Super fresh. Super. Oh. Good.
This?
Crushed it. It's good.
That's good. Alright, now it's time to go home.
Yeah.
Get ready for our spa.
Hong's a spa guy now. He converted.
Hopefully they take me to the right spot though.
By view. Like, what the heck? It's so beautiful here. I can't get over it.
All in all, it was a good experience.
Yeah.
We didn't go to the right spot that we wanted to go to.
Definitely a little sketch at the
A little
beginning.
sketchy, but we just went with the flow, tried to stay positive.
Yeah.
Wasn't really sure if I was getting a good deal on the food or not, if that's like proper pricing.
I did hear lobster was like really expensive.
Yeah. And I'm thinking of the numbers, and it does look familiar to like the other restaurants. So at the end of the day, the meal was still good.
It could definitely be worse. This is actually so beautiful here.
I think actually this worked out for the better.
Yeah, I did.
know what's gonna happen there.
I did want to try out that restaurant that you were showing me.
Yeah.
For sure. But
everything happens for a reason.
Yeah.
So we'll have to see a lot of the views that we wouldn't have seen if we went with our original idea.
and we're back. That's why they have tires right here. Love a good dub. We're gonna drive to this place. It's an 11-minute walk by the beach.
Sure. Schedule. So like if you don't know Vietnamese fully or at all, you can get by with English here,
Yeah.
especially by texting.
Especially by testing because they can translate it
Yeah.
easily.
Message them on Facebook.
Yeah, every business here pretty much has a Facebook.
Yeah. Perfect.
This is nice. This alleyway is so pretty. Let's take a picture here.
We're gonna plan and go on the beach anyways. Get out, we can chill by the beach.
Yeah, we're right here at the beach. The beach side. We haven't even stepped foot on the beach yet.
No, it's sad. But for work for sure, anyways. It's gonna be hot for work. It's gonna be like 29, 30 degrees.
We have a resort on the beach too.
Yeah. Well, the waves are huge still.
Okay, switching to my phone because our battery died. Wow. It's a nice spot to sit over there.
Really nice here.
So pretty. All right, we're here.
You want to do a 60 or 90 hot stone? Or do you want to do hot stone?
90.
90?
Right? Why not?
Okay.
Okay, this is cute. How was that one, huh?
It's really hot. Like the stones are hot.
Did you like the stones? I like the stones. That's my first hot stone.
Penetrate deeper.
Oh,
Touch.
felt nice.
Right?
Mhm.
2 people, that's a steal. She's really good though.
Yeah, my girl was good too. Going home now. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you in the next one. We're going to Dalat tomorrow. There's a bunch of little people all the time.